Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cocktail napkins. First, gather your materials. You'll need about 1/4 of a yard of fabric, like cotton or linen, which is perfect for this project. Also, have your sewing machine ready, along with matching thread, a good pair of fabric scissors, and an iron. These simple tools will help you create beautiful, custom napkins with ease. Now, let's prepare your fabric. Cut your chosen material into 10-inch by 10-inch squares. For each napkin, you'll need 1 square. Next, take one edge and fold it over by about 1/4 of an inch, then press it flat with your iron. Repeat this fold and press for all 4 sides. This initial pressing creates a crisp guide for your next step. With your edges pressed, it's time to sew. Fold each edge over one more time by another 1/4 of an inch and press it down firmly. This creates a double-folded hem that looks clean and prevents fraying. Now, using your sewing machine, stitch close to the inner folded edge all the way around the napkin. Remember to backstitch at the start and end of each seam for extra strength. You're almost done. Once all your seams are sewn, give your beautiful new cocktail napkins a final press with a warm iron. This last step ensures all the edges are crisp and gives them a truly professional finish. These handmade napkins are not only practical, but also add a lovely personal touch to any gathering. Enjoy using your custom creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.